Alrighty, driving into the Walton house to drop off my beautiful Petree girl and hopefully give her a better life, because she deserves it.
I'd love to help you, honestly.
This is so
They're going to
nice.
clean that bamboo and another one right there. And they took out a huge tree. You don't even notice. There's a monster, one of these Royal Poincianas.
Hi, Petree, what's going on?
You're free, look.
Hi.
You're in an enclosure with other birds.
He came to fly over.
You're free, pretty girl.
Look.
How pretty.
Last night,
Bye, Petree girl. I'm gonna miss you. You be safe. Be strong, be brave. Don't let them bully you.
Really? Oh, wow. Those are the ones that are like aggressive?
Monkey, monkey, monkey.
Hey!
Breaking
Oh,
shit.
who wants attention?
Well, he wants
Noodles?
He's a Stanley crane from Africa. He's sweet. Be careful with him, though. He'll bite you right through there.
Oh, little ducks.
Oh, that's so funny how you
Kick. Yeah, it is better than Metro Zoo.
It's funner. You don't have to walk as much.
Yeah, in the like the excruciating sun.
Oh, yeah.
Que tú veas todos los animales, better animals in the zoo.
And then, Albert, there's a bunch of animals that way, but it takes a while
Yeah.
to see.
Hey, monkey.
Japanese snow macaques. These are really, really old.
Hey.
Oh,
Hey, Grandpa. How you doing?
that's,
Hey,
that's the girl over there.
Hey, beautiful.
Hi.
Look at those teeth. Look at that pearly white smile. So it's pretty. Have you been to that frog pond transition zone behind Schnebley's?
Yeah.
How cool is that?
Yep. These are green monkeys. This is a boy. There's two babies on the mother.
It's gorgeous. So gorgeous. It's gorgeous.
It is gorgeous. It is amazing. Dusk.